Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to this brand new video. Today I would like to take this opportunity to thank every single one of you guys who have subscribed to my channel, who have liked my videos and who have commented on my videos. Today we are a 5,000 strong family. Thanks to every single one of you guys. Now, taking advantage of this opportunity, I've gone ahead and gifted myself a brand new speaker system. Now, before getting to that, now I've done a lot of research in the market and I could not find any speaker system within my price range. The two speaker systems that I liked were the Sena and the Cardo. You don't get the Cardo systems in India. Sena were way too expensive for me to go ahead and afford one of those units. So I waited and finally Sena has gone ahead and released their brand new speaker system called Parani M10. Now this has been backed up by Sena. I've gone ahead and got myself these speakers. Now I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing and let you guys know what's inside the box. I've still not opened it. It's still a sealed box. So I'm going to go ahead and get this unboxed and I'll let you guys know what's inside the box, what to expect. And I'm also going to make another video how to install these into the helmet. So there's going to be two parts of this video, so stay tuned guys. Let's start the unboxing guys. Now, as soon as you open the box, you could see the device. It looks quite pretty. Now you have a thermocol mesh and okay, you get a plastic packet and an instruction manual. So now getting to this, now let's leave this aside and let's get to this. Now let's see what's inside these. Now you get the helmet clamp. Now you do have the USB-C to the normal USB. You have the speakers themselves with a boom mic attached to it. You do have the permanent plate for the device, but I'm going to use the clamp. I'm not going to use the permanent device. And you have two Velcro system with the noise cancellation for the boom mic. So that's what is in the box, and let's go ahead and start up this baby and connect this to my phone. Now to start the device, you just have to press these two buttons. Now you get the Parani logo, it's ready and it's stating as pairing. So once it states pairing, you could connect it to your phone. Go to your Bluetooth device and you would be able to see that Parani M10 V2 is come up. So all you have to do is just click on it and it's paired. It's ready to use guys. It's that simple. Hey guys, that's about the video for the Parani unboxing. So I'm going to go ahead and get them installed onto my helmet. Stay tuned for that video. That's going to be the next video by the way. And if you have not liked the video yet, please do like it. Subscribe, share my content so that other people would know about headphones like these are available in the market. Most of us are not aware of these things. So, you know, we tend to buy the cheaper alternate. When you have brands like Parani backed up by Sena, I think that's worth the investment. So guys, yeah, stay tuned for the next video.